You have
Do not hit the wrong
Stop
person.
being a racist. Why did you do that? Because you was talking about racism. Come on, baby.
Yo, good job, brother. Take that fucking cane from him. Fuck out of here.
That's all right. She's gonna go to jail. We're gonna post the right to
Yo, you can't hit the wrong person. Chill the fuck out.
You shouldn't be saying the N-word.
She's on my team. I'm a famous designer. I got
Yo, that's straight up. Oh, he's not lying.
So, yeah, let's go. Let's go to police.
Stop saying racist shit.
I don't know. I've been defending myself. If you see me attack anyone, I can see that video.
Now you want to try to fight her.
She's fucking wrong.
Hey, can you take
Yes, yes. Make your money.
Make
your money.
Yo, who's attacking? She's
Listen, girl.
Yo, we all on your side.
Yo, you fucking marked your face, you dumb bitch. You go to jail for that shit.
My time to get off.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
You gonna get off?
Yo, D.
You gonna get off?
Yo, you get paid to fight. Fuck this bitch. I know.
You gonna get off when it stops?
She wanna go. Let her go. Let her go. Go ahead, baby. 123. Go ahead,
D, get over here, man.
You good, man. Yo, good job. Don't do it.
World champ fighter.
Don't do it.
Get over here. I got that on camera. I got you. You going to jail for that, woman. Yeah, you going to jail.
Look who's attacking.
You just hit her with that. You called her a nigga, all right?
So what?
You're a fucking racist bitch. You don't even know who you're fucking with right now. I'm going to have you all over the news tomorrow morning, woman. All over the fucking news tomorrow. Oh, I will. Yo, let me see your eye. Come here. She hit you with that stick?
No. You fucking come near me in your face. Shit show. Gotta be your face. Shit. So why the fuck you gonna fuck? Come on, guys. Aren't you gonna defend me? You see me doing anything? I will go to your face, bitch. There's no point in doing it. She's not fucking head. She's fucking stupid up in the head. No, I'm sure we all got good jobs and she's a piece of shit. That's why she feels down and she gotta talk shit about people.
That's why
So
she
fuck
gonna get
her.
fucked up.
No, fuck her.
Yo, bitch, you gonna
Fuck
die.
her. She didn't be fucking
Yo,
crazy. So she's
you gonna be glad I'm not putting a gun out on you. See, I got something in my pocket. I'll just kill you.
No, somebody move.
No, she got.
Somebody else stop that shit again.
Yo, if you hit me with that cane, don't hit me with that fucking cane. I'm gonna say, don't hit me with that.
You don't understand.
Yo, she got marks on her face.
I know who it is. I know the normal king. And Holyfield. Those are my fucking people.
What's wrong with her?
You going to jail, bitch. I got you.
What's wrong with her? What the fuck is wrong with her? No, it's not.
You called her a nigger. You racist bitch.
Yeah, double titanium.
Fucking racist bitch.
It's okay. Did it spill out?
See, what she did to your eye? Let me see. Let me get that on.
I'm sorry.
What she did to your eye?
Okay, she has.
Oh, she just under my
Yeah,
eye.
she's bleeding.
I'm bleeding?
Yeah.
I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
You got red on your eye, yeah.
Yo, show face.
No, hold it back. I got her on
I'm
camera.
bleeding? I'm bleeding? Bro, you know if I'm bleeding, I'm murdering this bitch.
No, you ain't.
Like, you know, niggas will go in the goddamn train
Did
stop.
anybody see me attacking?
Yes,
Oh, really? How?
verbally.
Oh, really?
Call people niggas and just sit there and think, do it. Do it. You stupid, yo. You stupid.
Wow, look at how angry you are. Wow. We got a big problem called slavery. 400 years of slavery. No reparations. No. 138. Really?